I got sidetracked with a couple other projects that I was working on, but I want to get started back on this again. I'm trying to figure out what design I want to do. I'm gonna have to cut it out right here so that we can see the amps in the trunk. This is the old setup right now. I want to kind of keep a design that's pretty similar to the way that this is. Kind of just like an homage to the original design. I'm just going to use the grill piece that I made before and try to do that for this other edge right here. Because I'm trying to make this side here pretty much be the same curve as the edge of the grill over here. Make a couple of mistakes here. It was actually in the template, but I got a little notch right there where I cut too much, and then one right over here where I forgot to adjust the bit, hoping that when I wrap it that I'll be able to cover that up the best I can. The next step, I'm going to use a chamfer bit on here so I can get an edge, have it angled. Probably gonna get it even about where this grill is here. And then I'm also going to use the rabbiting bit on the bottom here so I can leave enough room for the vinyl or the vinyl fabric when I put it on there. I do also have to trim this piece just a hair so that I can get the vinyl to fit in between both of these pieces. Still haven't decided what color I want to do it yet, but I'll figure that out after I'm done doing all the woodwork here. next step and go ahead and put that chamfer around the edge of this. Still got the stupid notch over here and over there, but I'll try my best to cover it up with the vinyl. I got the subwoofer grill sticking up just a little bit past this one. Just a couple more things I gotta do on the inside. On the back side of this main part, I wanna cut a little groove because that is where I'm gonna put the LEDs. I originally was gonna put it on this trim piece, but I think it'll be easier to put it on the other one here. And I want to get the LEDs back as far as I can get them, so I'll be using this bad boy right here. I went ahead and put this piece in here just to size it up. A couple spots I need to do a little bit of trimming, like right up here. I need that to go down just a little bit more because it's pushing up. It's putting a lot of tension on this part here. Probably I'm gonna round over these edges here just so it's a little bit more smooth. Change up this part a little bit right over here. Right now when I have the trim piece on there, it's pretty much flush with it, but I don't want to see too much of this part, so I'm actually going to make this hole just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to do that using a rabbiting bit and then a flush trim bit after that. Now I have the main piece set back a little bit further back so it doesn't look like that basically. You don't want that. And just for the sake of making things easier when I'm wrapping, I'm actually going to use the big rabbiting bit to make this section a little bit thinner. You know what I mean? The last thing I have to do is a little groove, just like I did on these other pieces, around the bottom here, and then probably do it around the edges too. So the next thing should be installing the magnets in these pieces so I can get them to stay on here. And then after that I'll be doing LEDs, trying to figure out where I'm going to run the wires for them. I got a couple ideas that are going to be pretty cool for it. And then after that I'm going to wrap it and put it in the car, then it should be done.